In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to sum up or add values in Excel. You can add individual values, cell references or range, or mixture of all three, means values or references or range. So this is the simplest formula in Excel. So how you can do this? Start with the equal sign as well, then write sum, open bracket, then this is my range. I want to sum the number from the cell from G2 up to P2. So we have to highlight this, all of this, highlight it. Now it is the G2 up to P2. After that, close bracket, then press enter. Now you have done with the sum function. So even if I remove all these number, now I can get the answer. As you can see, the number changing. Now you can avoid writing 0 in a formula where there is no data to add. For example, this one we have no any value in this cells, but the total is 0. So I can avoid writing 0, because when you write 0 is equal to the cell which has 0 value. For example, this one, when I calculate, let's say student marks, I want to add student marks. This one, let's say, has a 0 mark in this subject. So when I sum up, the total is 0. So let's say I want to identify the student which has no mark in the test, has no mark in a certain test key or in all these tests, because when I put 0 here, when the answer is 0, it means I cannot understand which data has 0 mark and which data has no any, and which cell has no any data or has blank. So in order to do this, add some function behind the formula. Say if this one and this one, let's say all these and this and this one and this and this, so if all these cells is equal to nothing, when you say this one, it means space. So if all these cells have nothing or have no any value, has no any data, comma, leave space. This one, quotation mark, means space. So if all these cells is equal to null, it means has no any data, has no any value, leave space. Otherwise, take a summation of G2 up to P2, then enter. As you can see now, this subject has 0 mark, also this one has 0 mark, and the total is 0. But if for the student which has no any mark in all subject, so the formula leave blank. There is no 0 because this one has no any mark. So this is how you can add some condition in some if condition in summation or in some function. Because when I get 0, I cannot understand that these students has either 0 in some subject or in all subject, or they have no any mark in the subjects. But also I can modify this formula. Instead of leaving 0, instead of leaving space to the student which has no any marks in all subject, I can say if all these cells has no data or has no any data, comma, let's say write x, put x between these two quotation mark. So if all these cells has no data or are null, comma, put x, otherwise do calculation of summation. When you drag this one, as you can see, there is no any data in this cell, so leave x. But this one there is 0, it means that also 0 is a max, so the total mark is 0. But this one, this student has no any value, or he didn't do any exam in all subjects. So let's say x, it means that he has no any marks in all subjects. This is how you can add if condition in summation or in other Excel function. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos in this channel. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.